Hello, good morning. My name is Lugs, and today I have a Stagebox Behringer S16. The AES ports went bad, and most of the times the solution I always have for it is to replace the board. But I just tried something today. I tried to check through and find out that this IC chip, this chip is the one working for the AES port. This one is for AES port A and this is for AES port B. And while I was trying to check it, I noticed that the B was blinking, but the A was dead. So I had this board. It's actually for this board. This was the board I was repairing, but I had this board from my recent repairs that I've replaced. So I just did some desoldering using my workstations. I removed the B to replace the A. This is it, and now the stage box is working. It's working. The stage box is working. This is just a quick tip for me. Quick tips on how to replace it. This is the IC responsible. Not this. It's not this transceiver. It is this IC.